Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm coming on to give you an update for our AliExpress store and Amazon store, and also I will be doing a tutorial video for this 3D treat bag later. So first about the Amazon. So as the tariff went down from today, so our Amazon store will remain the same price. So we don't need to change the price there. It's just I feel so happy for that, because it will be also a very big job for us to change all the prices. And so that is for Amazon, and we will also be shipping new goods to Amazon. And so if the items are out of stock now, they should be able to be restocked in about 2 weeks. And then for AliExpress, the price will be raised up a little bit. Just because of the tariff, we can't absorb all the tariff with our profit. So we have to raise that price a little bit, but that's only a little bit. Just if you check our AliExpress, you will see the price didn't change that much, like the one I said, just double the price. No, that is not the thing. It's just only a little bit. We only add a little bit to the price, and the only difference is that if you order less than 4 items, then there will be an additional shipping charge, which is about $3 to $4. So like if you order 1 item, you need to pay the $3 to $4, and if you order 3 items, the total extra shipping cost is also $3 to $4. But if you order like 4 or more items, then the shipping cost will be removed automatically. So like in the day before, this term is for 5 items. So if you placed the order before today, just the day before today, then you have to order 5 items to reduce that shipping cost. And that shipping cost is about, I think, $5 or $6 in the past like half month is about that price. But as the tariff went down today, so we changed the price, and just to make it cheaper, as we pay less tariff. So the price will also be cheaper than the days before. And for the shipping time, normally it will take 7 to 10 days for delivery. But for the parcels that we sent in late April and the early May, it will take more time, because some of the parcels are stuck in the United States Custom, and waiting for the custom inspection or custom clearance. So it will take some more time for those parcels to be delivered. And as I checked today, that a lot of parcels have finished the custom clearance and will be delivered in a couple more days. So so like if you order today, the shipping time will be shorter to about 7 to 10 days. But if you order before this time, just like you order in the late April till the very beginning of May, like I think the May 5th before, then it still need a little more time for the custom to finish the custom clearance process. I don't know how they operate it, but just those parcels are stuck in the custom, and the new parcels sent were finished, have been finished the custom clearance very quickly. So yeah, it will take a little more time for those parcels to be delivered. But for the new orders, new parcels sent in there, yeah, it will be faster. So that is about the price and the shipping time. If you order on AliExpress, it's not, it didn't change very much compared to the, the time before the tariff effects. So yeah, that is about that. So if you have any concern or any questions about ordering on AliExpress, please feel free to let me know. Yeah, I will help you to solve the problems. And also, we have the May bundle ready on AliExpress. So I will put the link in the description box below. And yeah, in the link, you will see two options. So one is for the summer drinks bundle and the other is for the birthday bundle. So definitely, pick the correct ones. And yeah, I know a lot of you have already bought a lot of the May release designs, and thank you so much for the support. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm so sorry for the late of putting out the May bundle. Yeah, as the tariff came down, so we can push out so we can release the May bundle on AliExpress now. Yeah, so that is for that. Let's get into the part of the tutorial for this 3D cheat bag die set. So I have cut the backing piece and the layering piece for these parts. So you need to cut this piece 2 times, and these 3 pieces one time each, and then you need to cut the the layering pieces. And I also cut this piece 1 time for the border part. So these are the parts. Now let's get started. So first, let's add in the pattern paper on top of all these pieces. Now that's folding all the tabs and folding lines. So this is the base part, and we need to add glue on these parts and then glue it like so. And now let's curve this part a little bit. Just for a better shape. And then add glue on this part and stick it in the inside. So it's going to be like this way. And now we need to use this piece here. So we need to use the punch tool to punch 2 holes, and it's about the center of this piece. So it's about this place, right? So we can like make a mark here. And also this place. Now we can punch it. And now adding a brad here. And also this part. And yeah, so it's like this. You can shape this handle a little bit in a better curve. So yeah, see, it's like this. And now we can add this border at the back side of this part. So it's about this place, just in the middle of this part. So this one is almost finished. You can add a magnet here or add a Velcro here just to close your box. Then you can also, add some labels or frames or decorations to decorate this part. Like this one, since it has a label, it has a lot of pieces. It has oval, circle, and just this label, and both in the set. So it's a very, a versatile die set that you can use a lot of ways to decorate your box. And as this has pretty much space inside, so it can put quite a lot goodies here. So I think it also great, for birthday gifts. Yeah. So this is the tutorial for today. And also for the customers that, not from the United States, if you click the link for this item and for, some other items that we released this year, if you find the item not available, please wait for a few more days. There is some technical error that, we are not able to sell them now, but please wait for a few more days. It will be able to, the link will work and you can buy later. So that is also in case you are wondering if you can't order it and if it says that it's out of stock. That is because of the technical error, and I'm asking AliExpress to solve that. But if you are from the United States, it's no problem, you can order it now. So that is it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.